Hi everyone, so I wanted to have a bit of a chat today because I've been organising all of my crochet patterns lately and honestly it's been a bit of a mess. I don't know if anyone else feels like this, but I had patterns saved everywhere. Some on my blog, some as PDFs, some on my Etsy, and it just started to feel really scattered all over the place. And I kept thinking, I just want everything in one place. So that would make it simple, easy, nice to use, and just all in one spot. So that's kind of what I've been working on lately behind the scenes. I've been posting a lot of videos of things I've been making, but haven't actually been showing much of what I'm going to be doing with that content. So I've decided to create a crochet membership where all of my Amigurumi crochet patterns are organized into clean, ad-free PDFs all in one spot. So instead of jumping through blog posts that have ads, everything is all on the membership, ready to download and use whenever you want. I've also started adding a new pattern every single month. That's a part of the membership, is a new pattern every single month. As a part of it, this month's is my kitty pattern, which I've just made about a week ago, I think now. It was really cute. I just gifted it to my mother-in-law and she loved it. So it's really makes it easy to get all my patterns in one place, which is what I wanted. I've added a bunch of my other patterns too, like my sitting pig plush, my little pocket loaf piggy, my puppy baby blanket. That's a 3-in-1 baby blanket. It can be used as a blanket, play mat, and a decoration, and my teddy bear curtain tie backs. So that's just what I've added so far. I will be continuously adding on more as I design them, which if you stick to the end of this video, I do have a thing to show you of what I'm currently working on. So it's slowly becoming a little collection of everything I've made all in one place. I also have been making behind the scene content to put on there as well, things I'm working on, tester calls. I do want to start getting people testing my patterns, and just the process of designing my patterns. It honestly feels more like a little crochet club than anything else, but I actually really love that. So that's my big update. If it sounds like something you will enjoy, I will put the link below in the description. You're more than welcome to check it out, but no pressure at all. I'll still be sharing my free patterns on my blog and videos on YouTube as well for them. Like I always do, I'll still be continuing doing that. I just wanted to make things a little bit easier for anyone who prefers having the PDF versions all in one place. So now that we have come to the end of the video, here is my latest design I've been working on. It's going to be a unicorn pattern, so keep an eye out for that to come soon when I can get the hair strands to work how I want them. So yeah, if you do check it out and end up joining the membership, it really would mean a lot to me, or even just subscribe for my free content on my YouTube. That's always amazing as well. So thank you again, and I hope you look forward to more updates.